In order to be successful, you need to diet to lose belly fat and not just start exercising. I am assuming that you know the usual diet rules to lose stomach fat, i.e. cut down on sugars and bad fats, eat smaller meals more often, and don't drink anything other than pure filtered water. If you have to have a caffeine fix, then go for a small black coffee or cup of tea, but keep it to a minimum. But in order to be really successful and lose abdominal fat, you need to do a complete overhaul of your diet. You know you need to eat more fruit and vegetables, but some are better than others. You want to increase the quantities of antioxidant-rich foods in your diet. This means eating more berries, e.g. strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, redcurrants and blackcurrants. You need to stock up on Brazil nuts, broccoli, carrots, kale, hazelnuts, raisins, papaya, spinach and sweet potatoes. You need to increase the amount of essential fatty acids in your diet. The best way to do this is to use sesame, rapeseed, walnut and soy oils in the kitchen for dressing your salads, etc. You can also add a little to the smoothies you make with the aforementioned fruits. Eat at least 2 portions of oily fish per week, choosing from mackerel, salmon and sardines. At the same time, cut the saturated fat in your diet, so limit butter, cream and other full-fat dairy products. You need to keep up the vitamins and minerals you consume, as they all play a vital role in keeping your internal organs healthy. Did you know that stubborn belly fat that is proving difficult to shift can be a sign that your liver is not working at optimum levels? It may have too many fatty cells in it, caused by consuming too much sugar and alcohol, and not just bad fats. Women in particular need to keep their B vitamin levels topped up to prevent depression, mood swings and brittle bone disease after the menopause. So eating plenty of bananas, soybeans and whole grains. Zinc is a eater's friend as it speeds up healing. Good sources of zinc are seafood, quality red meat and turkey. If you are vegetarian, you can try eating mushrooms and wheat germ. We know that we need to drink more water to keep us hydrated when exercising. But the other benefit of water is that it will help your internal organs become more efficient at eliminating waste, which in turn prevents gas and bloating. So get those water intake levels up, and you will have less problems with fluid retention and puffy skin. Your muscles will also benefit as they will become more flexible, and this will make your workout and diet to lose belly fat much more effective.